Hi there, my name's Dave Johnson from Bloggers Biz Online. So I've got an exceptional offer for you today. Not only am I giving away 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a site of your choice, okay, and all you have to do is fill in your form here and follow the instructions. You will need to check your email and activate your email account, okay, for this to work, and then you'll log into the site where it takes you to, and you'll be looking for something called the Live Business Center, where you'll be able to watch a short video which will unlock your 50,000 free visitors. Okay, there will be a live monitor on duty there telling you which direction to go. So just go ahead and look for the LBC or the Live Business Center, and there's lots more to offer inside of there as well. Okay, so that's guaranteed 50,000 free visitors to a site of your choice. So the next thing I want to tell you about is the Genesis Lifetime Network. Now guys, just hang on. If you're just here for the 50,000, you can have all the rest of these bonuses what I'm just about to mention, okay? So the Genesis Lifestyle Network, I'm going to give you a free membership on that, and this is brand new, guys, and it's going viral for 2021. Okay, so I'll leave you access for that underneath this video. Now if you want to, if you have some links, extra links you want to put out there, I'm also giving you 10,000 free view credits to my Rotator page. There we are, that's me there, look. Okay, all you have to do is click this place ad here. Okay, that'll take you to this capture page where this will inform me that you have landed on my bonus page, and you're going to be able to grab your 10,000 view credits. Okay, sorry about that. So yes, subscribe to that and check your email. The instructions will be in your email, and it'll take about 24 to 48 hours to activate if you check your emails. So check your spam on that. So folks, if you sign up for the 50,000 free guaranteed visitors and the Genesis Lifestyle, okay, the Genesis Lifestyle Network, they're all free. This is absolutely amazing platform, by the way. It's the best out there at the moment. So if you sign up for both of these, you can have the Rotator package free of charge. That's my gift to you. But I'm going to give you all these bonuses as well. Okay, all you've got to do, guys, is drop me your email. I'm going to leave my email address below this video. All you've got to do is drop me an email, and you will receive all these bonuses. Okay, unlimited social traffic, your coaching program. Bonus 3, generate daily traffic. Bonus 4, affiliate marketing. Bonus 5, ClickBank results, and the bonus 6, the overnight cash pump. That is amazing. And finally the fast track cash. Okay, I'll leave you the link under here for this page. Okay, and there's my email address to inform me, okay, that you have joined both the World Profit for the 50,000 free guaranteed visitors and the Genesis. Okay, and on top of that, I've not finished yet, because I'm going to be really kind to you now. I'm going to let you pick 10 products. Okay, it says here 10 products for $24.95, folks. I'm going to give those to you as well, free. Okay, so have a look at this. Have a look at my store. There's 423 at the moment in my store. Don't add to cart. All I need off you is the title, the price, what it was, and the ID number. Okay, so if you email me, in the link I'll leave my email address below. I want 10 ID numbers off you. and I'll let you have $25 worth of my PLR products for nothing. Any one you like out of the 423. Okay, so for all this, guys, the whole shebang, it's value. All you've got to do is take action. Check your email, keep your emails open for me. Whitelist them if you know how to. So if you can, I would love you to visit my newly formed Facebook page. Give it a like, give it a share, have a mooch round if you like. It's only its infancy, but I'd love you to have a look around and have a look at that. And if you would, share the post, what you saw this on, whether it be YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or anywhere like that. Okay, folks, so take action. All the links will be below this video in some kind of format. Okay, but email me if you have any problems, and you can start chatting to me if you join the Facebook page on the messenger site. Okay, that's it for me, folks, so enjoy all your freebies. Like I said, everything's free. I'm not charging you anything. It's value, so all you've got to do is take action. So bye for now.